In this video, you'll learn how to open a RAR file in Google Drive. If you've ever received a compressed RAR archive and wanted to access it directly from your drive without downloading extra software to your computer, this walkthrough is for you. We'll keep things simple and go step by step so you can follow along easily, even if you're not very technical. First, you'll need to upload the RAR file to your Google Drive. Start by opening Google Drive in your browser and signing into your account. Once you're in, look toward the top left corner of the screen for the new button. Click that, then choose File Upload. A file picker window will open, letting you browse the files stored on your computer. Find the RAR file you want to open, click it once to highlight it, and then confirm the upload. You'll see the upload progress in the bottom right corner of the screen. When the upload finishes, the RAR file will appear in your drive, just like any other file. Next, locate that RAR file in your drive. You might see it right away in the main My Drive view, or you may need to use the search bar at the top to type its name and find it quickly. Once you see the file, move your mouse over it and right-click. This opens a context menu with different options related to that file. From that menu, look for the option called Open With and hover over it or click it. Google Drive will show you the apps that are currently available to open that type of file. For many people, RAR files won't have a built-in option by default, and that's where third-party apps come in. If you don't see a suitable RAR extraction tool listed, you'll need to choose the option to connect more apps. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace in a small window or a new tab, depending on your setup. Here you can search for RAR, or Archive Extractor, to find apps that are designed specifically to handle compressed files like RAR, zip, and others. Take a moment to read the brief descriptions and reviews so you can pick a tool you're comfortable with. When you find one you like, click it, then click the Install or Connect button. You may be asked to grant certain permissions so the app can access files in your drive. Review these permissions carefully and then confirm if you're okay with them. After the app is installed or connected, go back to your Google Drive and right-click the RAR file again. This time, when you hover over Open With, you should see the new RAR extraction app listed as an option. Click that app's name to open the file with it. The app will launch, usually in a new browser tab or a pop-up window, and it will automatically load the contents of your RAR archive. In most cases, you'll see a list of all the files and folders that are stored inside that RAR. From here, the app typically gives you a couple of choices. You might be able to simply preview certain files like documents or images right in your browser, or you can select one or more items and choose an option to extract or save them. Many apps will let you extract directly back into your Google Drive, creating a regular folder that contains all the uncompressed files so you can access and organize them just like any other item in Drive. And that's all you need to do. By uploading the RAR file, choosing Open With, connecting a RAR extraction app from the Google Workspace Marketplace, and then using that app to view or extract the contents, you can handle RAR archives entirely within Google Drive without installing anything on your computer.